Check out these smart permanent outdoor lights. These are really creative. You have all RGB colors, 38 feet, and you get 24 LED lights. These lights are very small, but you're gonna screw them in so that they're permanent in place. So much better than some of those other ones where they come undone and they like hang loose. This is gonna be something great that you can just screw in place and it's gonna stay. And also it's very thin, so if you're putting it in a small space just to get that really cool RGB vibe, these are gonna be perfect for that. Now there's also adhesive on the back of it, making it a breeze so you can, stick it in place and then you can screw it in after that. But it's a very long, and you get 24 different LED lights and all the little screws plus the screwdrivers. There is a remote control that comes with it with a battery included, and you can control it via remote. You can change the brightness, change the color modes. This is your main plug unit, and you also have a button to turn it on and change modes from there. So you can download the app and you can pick any color that you want on the spectrum. You can change the different lighting modes and speed and just go through it and customize it even more. And you can even save some of those presets to access later on, or you can even connect it to your smart home like Google or Alexa. So there's voice control. It has music sync on there. So if there's music playing, it can sync to the beat. It is waterproof and also has a timer on it, so it will turn off automatically. And they look really good when they're all put together at nighttime. It looks really nice. They work great and give off such a cool vibe at your house, whether you're having a party or just want to enjoy the night with some cool lights like this. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.